There's a new message on my inbox. I made a new grounded video. Check it out. Already checked out.
Rachel, you need to take a shower.
But Dad, it's Saturday. I took a clean as a whistle shower yesterday.
You're going to take a shower and that's final. Take one now or you're grounded.
Okay then, first off, I will take my clothes off. All right. Now I will get in the shower. All right. Now I should turn off the shower. Oh no, the water isn't turning off. Oh no, I broke the shower head.
Rachel, get down here right now. Explain about what happened.
Explain what?
Oh my God, Bridget, get in here.
What is it, Simon?
Rachel was taking a shower and she broke the shower head and now water is leaking from the ceiling.
Oh my God, Rachel. I can't believe that you would do such a thing. That's it, you're grounded for 439359474959745974597459745974959745957459379573384795733384708 weeks. Go to your room now.